Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create Instagram business account. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Instagram app. After it open, you will see your profile icon at the right bottom. Tap on your profile icon. Now tap on these three lines which are at the right top. Tap on the first option, settings and privacy. Now scroll it down and tap on this option, account type and tools. Now type on the second option, add new professional account. Type on continue again. Now choose the best thing for your professional account. Like if you're a musician, then select musician. If you're a digital creator, then tap on digital creator. So you can select as you want. Like I am selecting blogger. After the selection, also turn on this one. It will help to show your content to the other peoples. Like you are a blogger, then this icon will show on your profile icon. Then tap on done. First select your country code. Like I am from Pakistan, so my country code is already selected. Now enter your mobile phone number. You can also enter your email address. So it's up to you which you want to add, your mobile phone number or your email address. After choosing one of these, tap on next. Now write your full name here for your business account. Also choose your password carefully. Now choose one of these options, continue with context or continue without context. So for me, I am continuing with without context. Now enter your date of birth here. So after your date of birth, tap on the option next. Now enter your username. Always choose a unique username. So it will make easier if anyone will search by your username. So these usernames are currently available on Instagram. So I am choosing one of these. Always remember this username. After creating the username, tap on the option next. So if you want Instagram to remember your password, then tap on OK. If you don't want, then tap on skip, but I am tapping on OK. Now what you are a creator or you are a businessman. It means you are creating your own content or you are a businessman, like you are promoting your products or something else. So like I am a blogger, so I am a creator, so I am selecting creator. After selecting one of these, tap on next. Share logins using account center. Choose one of these options. So I am choosing continue. So if your Instagram is connected with your Facebook account, then this permission will be required. And if your Instagram is not connected with your Facebook, then I don't think this information will be needed. My Instagram is connected with my Facebook, so I am tapping on continue. So all of my these profiles are connected with each other and also with Facebook. So I am tapping on continue. So I am adding this with my Instagram account center. Tap on add blog.girls. Now these are the last things. Set up your professional account. So these are the last thing for completing your professional account. Like complete your profile, like adding up your profile picture and more information about your address. If you have website, then also you can paste the link of your website here. You can grow your audience by inviting your friends. So when your friend will follow you back, then your page will grow. Introduce yourself. It's like you can tell about yourself, what you are and what you want to be, what's the purpose of making the professional account and anything else. So you can set up all these things, but I am not set up all these things. I am turning it off. So I am tapping on the sign which is at the left top. So as you see now, my Instagram business account has been created successfully. So by this way you can create your own Instagram business account. Join the Screenshot Squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.